Hello guys, welcome back to Send Crypto. In today's content, I'm going to give you guys a very quick update regarding the market structure. We just got a nice dump, almost like 10% on most alt, and just about a slight pullback on BTC. We're going to take a look at BTC, Ethereum, right, mainly. And it is going to be a very short live stream, guys. So most of you guys been panicking, so I was like, I just have to do it because if you guys panic, I'm gonna panic, okay? Even though I gave you guys some great targets like TRB. I talk about TRB, man. Sucker gonna go all the way up. Join the premium group so you can get the TRB upside target. We talked about TRB when it was like $17. Right now we at $56. Okay, we could see like over $300 TRB over the next like a few months, right? So we talked about these targets, guys, a long time ago, okay? So we're just gonna scan the market for the first 5 minutes, just to give you guys time to show up so you won't miss the popcorn party, right? So ADA, we're gonna start off with ADA. So ADA BTC just about like a 19, or did not hit 1971, but we hit 1946, right? So it is still a good hold. It is breaking out on a 2-day basis and all of that good stuff. So I don't see no need to be even like day trading, day trading like ADA. It is still a good hold. We could pop it all the way up to like a 3,000 sats, which is almost another another over 50% move if you take a look at it, right? Swing high to swing low, 64% move potentially versus BTC. All right, so ADA USD we don't need to talk about, right? But guys, I gave you also balance last week when we first broke out, right? It is gonna break out over the next like a few days and so on. It is still a good hold. If you take a look at it on a daily basis, it is slightly making a small bull flag, right? On a daily basis, a big engulfing candle right here, you can see it. So if like we can break above the daily 100 EMA, it is gonna be a moonshot. Okay, it is gonna be a moonshot, no question asked, right? So another one also we need to pay attention to, guys, it is going to be balancer, not balancer, but BAT, guys. It's gonna go crazy, guys. I gave you guys a Filecoin a couple of days ago on Sunday, I think, or Monday morning. I gave you Filecoin. It is only Wednesday. Filecoin pump, like I told you, when it pumped, all of you guys gonna FOMO. Okay, it was like 20 when I first told you about Filecoin. It was like 40, not 40. I'm looking at the number of views. That's why I'm saying 40. When we first talk about file, we're gonna take a look at file, right? I told you file it up, okay? Put it into the file, get it at 22 to 24. It was a premium target. So if I'm giving out premium targets, it's like, we got like a very good chance of hitting those targets, right? So it pumps from guys, 22, 24 premium. We started buying 22, right? And it pumped all the way up over $50, and we could see like some crazy prices, okay, from a file. Okay, so just file it up and don't touch, don't look, don't smell, and just go to sleep. All right, so Bitcoin Cash, I'm starting to like Bitcoin Cash. It is moving slow. I know exactly why it is moving slow, because Bitcoin Cash BTC it is basically still on a downtrend, but I think this sucker gonna pump so hard, guys. Most of you guys gonna be buying it at $10,000, man. I'm telling you, Bitcoin Cash, it is a good hold, guys. It is a good hold. Beautiful double bottom, beautiful guys, divergence right here. I just love it when I see these divergence on a daily, 2-day, 8-hour, 6-hour time frame. It just make me I'm telling you, man, it makes me so bullish, man. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, guys, and basically join my public Telegram group. If you're looking to join my premium group, you know exactly what to do. You can definitely send me a message, and or you can join my my Discord public group, and you can get all the information. Okay, we got information channel. You just click on that channel and you know exactly what to do. Okay, so with Send Crypto, you don't get 10% targets. You get like crazy targets, okay? Just like Bitcoin Cash right now, most people are slipping on Bitcoin Cash. Like I told you guys, I'm just gonna repeat it once again. If you slip on Bitcoin Cash, I don't care about the fundamentals. I don't care if that's a real BCH or ABC, or if that's a real Bitcoin. I don't care. The chart is telling me it is time, okay, for a moonshot, okay? it is time for, I'm just gonna have to repeat it, guys, because I told you about Ethereum when Ethereum was like 750. Most people have been panicking. Okay, is Ethereum gonna drop down below 700 and all of that good stuff, guys? We long it from 750 all the way up to 1333. Okay, in our premium Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, it is going to be the next big thing within the next few days. Okay, a good hold, right? So keep an eye on BCH. BNB, I don't need to talk about BNB, guys. I told you about BNB already when it was like $30, so you guys know exactly what to look for. BlueZell, I'm just gonna analyze BlueZell, guys. It is a top coin. It is one of our top pick for actually it's not one of our top pick for February, but it is going to be the next basically EGLD after Filecoin. So it is a good hold, nice breakout. If you take a look at BLZ, BTC right here, it has not even yet started pumping, guys. So that's how bullish it is, guys. I love this setup right here, guys. This setup makes me they make my day, guys. I'm telling you, man, when I take a look at these beautiful setups in our premium, guys, we're killing it. Okay, we're killing it. Most people just joined. Some people just joined our premium like a couple of days ago. They already killing it. Okay, with our 50% 60% pump, right? So guys, BlueZell, don't take a screenshot, okay? That's copyright. Don't take a screenshot, okay? BlueZell, very beautiful setup, guys. It's gonna moonshot. It's gonna moonshot, guys. I'm telling you, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at QDOM, guys. In our premium, we've been accumulating QDOM at $2. QDOM, okay, and Tezos. Back in December, January, I mentioned it. I said, guys, if you're not buying QDOM at 180 million market cap, 200 million market cap, you're most likely going to be buying it at 2 billion, 3 billion market cap. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at QDOM right here. Moonshot, guys. Moonshot, guys. Bang. Okay. Accumulation for QDOM was right here, guys. Late December. Right there, guys. Right there. Okay, we talked about QDOM. We got a short-term target up to what? 4.8, guys. We hit our target 4.8 to $5 range. Bang. QDOM and OMG at the same time, same price, 3.4. Both of them, guys, we hit both targets. Okay. OMG, we got actually, we actually got a higher prices, a higher target for OMG. It's gonna go crazy. Okay, it's gonna go crazy. Like it's just gonna be like, oh my gosh, man. It's gonna be like, oh my gosh. Let me take a look at the chat room, guys. Hit the likes, guys. I'm just gonna give you guys a rough analysis, right? I'm not gonna give you a big analysis. Take a look at the CRVR, guys. Send crypto, we killing it. Okay, RSI. I told you about RSI. I give you an analysis. You guys not even supposed to see this, right? But I give you guys an analysis about RSI, guys. It's gonna moonshot also. Okay, very accumulated right here. We just need to break above like a 150, 170, bang, 250, and the rest going to be just story. Okay, beautiful. One thing I was anticipating was like to reaccumulate right here 60 to 70, but looking at the market structure right now, it doesn't seem like BTC going to be strong enough for RSI to be weak enough to drop down to 60. Okay, so BTC most likely going to be moving slow to the upside. So RSR most likely going to be very, very strong versus BTC. It is already like 17% up. We already talked about it in our premium, guys. I already sent this one. So if you missed it, you missed it. But I don't think you got nothing to lose. I mean, not financial advice, but it has another 50% move, guys. 50% move, guys. 50% move, guys. You only get this from Sun Crypto. So let's take a look at SXP. Moving sideways, guys. SXP, I don't even need to do any analysis on SXP because I told you since like 30 cents, sucker is a hold. Okay. So TRB, we already talked about it. So Uniswap, very consolidated. It is consolidating. I wouldn't mess with it right now till we get a breakout to the upside. VChain, we hit our target, guys. Bang. Okay, rough around like 3839. I told you we're gonna hit 3839 when VChain was like almost 2.8. That's a 50% move in our premium. Beautiful, guys. Flat correction. The only thing I was thinking is like we might get a fake out right here, right? Drop right here before pumping to the upside. But one thing we said was like, it doesn't matter. Even if it drops down to like a 2.5 cents, 3 cents, even 2 cents, it is going to be a potential buy, range for the next pump to the upside. So we don't need to talk about VChain. It is very, very bullish. Okay. So my boy XTZ, you guys know what I'm looking for. XTZ. I'm looking for a 20, 30, 40, 50x XTZ, guys. if you're holding XDZ, good luck. Okay, you know, not good luck, but if you're not holding XDZ, you're most likely going to miss out. Okay, immediate target, we already talked about it, $7 and so on, right? So keep an eye on XDZ. We already hit our premium target, 3.6 to you know, 3.8, guys. So but it has another pump to the upside. Okay, I just love this setup. Okay, the setup right here, Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi USD. I already gave you a you know, a special live stream before the pump. Okay, before the pump, 1800, 1900. I told you we're gonna pump way to like 3000. We did not hit 3000. We hit like 2666, guys. Drop right back down. What we said in our premium, we said we're gonna suck it up and we're gonna take it right back up. We're gonna suck it up and we're gonna take it right back up. Bang. Okay, where did we take it at? Right here. Okay, 2625, guys. 2 trades in the same asset within 3 days, guys. Right here, we took it to the upside, took profit, dropped back down, took it to the upside, took profit. It is still very consolidative. Okay, if you're holding it for, you know, that's a short-term trade, but we're still holding it for a long-term trade, and we got some more move to the upside. Potential target, guys, over $6,000, $8,000. The BTC pair, the BTC Wi-Fi BTC looks better, right? It's not moving, but it's gonna move very, very quickly. Okay, very, very soon. Beautiful setup. Just because BTC, you know, not just because, but we've been having like some high volatility regarding BTC, so Wi-Fi just needed to correct. We got a flat correction, flat right here, flat right here. This move going to be impulsive, most likely. Okay, most likely going to be very, very impulsive. Okay, Zilliqa, I don't need to talk about Zilliqa, guys. I showed you Zilliqa on my Sunday update, weekly update. Zilliqa was one of the top coins. Zilliqa, Wi-Fi, File, BTC, Ethereum, okay, Neo, and all of that good stuff. We killed all of them within like 3 days. Okay, so we're killing it like no one else. Okay, so I don't have time to read the chat room yet, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at the BTC before I take a look at the chat room. It is going to be a quick live stream, guys. I'm just gonna kill it, guys, because you guys know exactly what I've been looking for. So I don't know why you guys been panicking and all of that good stuff, right? So first thing first, if you take a look at the 6-hour time frame, BTC is what, above the 6-hour 21 EMA. It is still above the 4-hour 21 EMA, so I don't see why people are panicking, right? You take a look at your MACD right here. Okay, just cross bearish, price action above the 21 EMA, then, you know, we're going to get this V shape right here. So once we get the V shape, we're going to see if we're going to correct back down to the 21 EMA. If we drop, we can basically find support at the 100 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. So BTC most likely going to be correcting within the next few days and so on, if we do not break like a 48,000 range. So 50,000 going to be a crucial range to be paying attention to over the next like a few days and so on, right? Let's take a look at the 7 days chart, because the 7 day chart, it is going to close like within 2 days. So I don't see like the 7 days chart closing like red, right? It means it's going to stay bullish. Even if we drop down to like 30,000, I mean not 30,000, 40,000, it is still going to be very bullish on the 7 days chart, okay, within the next 2 days, because we're still going to be above like resistance of like a 41,000 and 42,000 range, okay, based on the 7 days closing basis right here. So closing, what I told you guys on Sunday, okay, if we close on a 3-day basis, okay, or on a 2-day basis, right, within the next 24 to 48 hours, if we close like above where, like a 40,000, guys, it is going to be very bullish. Okay, that's what I told you right here. I think on the 7th, right, we did not even close above it on the on this candle, but we just closed above it like a couple days ago, okay, on this palm. So very bullish, right? And I think Robin is asking if like we can make this move. Yes, that's very possible. We can make this move. It is still going to be very bullish. It is going to kill it. That's the same structure we got right here, right? So if you're panicking when we're dropping, you're most likely going to lose out, okay? So a drop down here, it is still going to be okay, right? But I don't see it right now, okay? I don't see us dropping right now. Why I don't see us dropping right now? Because we already got our bullish MACD on our 3-day time frame, right? So that's what we've been waiting for. Very bullish. Price action cross right here, okay? Price action pump, MACD followed. Nothing to say. Volume is low. Candle going to close like in 24 hours, so you know any dips within this candle are going to be a buy, okay, even down to 38, right? I don't see us closing below 38 within the next 48 hours. Okay, can we close below 48? Yes, but it is not something I'm anticipating. Okay, but if we get it, we're going to take a look at it, right? So not 48, 38, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at BTC on the 50-day cycle. The 50-day cycle, once again, it is very bullish. So if you're waiting for like a 30k BTC, you might not get it like within the next 10 days. I told you a couple of days ago, best thing to do, right? Even before the breakout, the safest thing to do is like to be bullish, okay, on BTC. Told you guys on my previous update, safest thing to do, okay? The 3 weeks chart, guys, it is saying bang. Okay, I don't want to close right. It's going to close like in 2 days, guys. It's going to close in 2 days. In 2 days, guys. So let's see right here. I don't need this. Okay, so it's going to close like in 2 days, right? Candle open on the 22nd, right? We're going to open the next candle on the I think on the 12th, right? So yeah, 22nd right here. We got 10 days, 9 days, right? Yeah, 9 plus 12, yep, 21. Okay, it's gonna close on the 12th, so we got like 48 hours to close this candle, and at the same time we got 48 hours to close the you know, 2-day time frame. So the next 2 days going to be crucial, right? So I don't see any dips below the 3 weeks 21, I mean not 3 weeks 21 EMA, but below the 3 weeks, okay, 3 weeks time frame, which is right here, 30k. So I think bulls are pretty safe. Okay, they're pretty safe. However, guys, okay, let's take a look at the bearish setup now. All right, we could, okay, right after we open the candle right here, right, the next candle on the 12th, the 13th, right, we could dip. Okay, we could dip down. Okay, retest 50% of this candle right here. Okay, that's possible, but we're gonna take a look at it on a lower degree. Okay, and I'm not saying we will, but we do have a possible like a correction right here, right? We do have a possible flat correction right here. We're not sure yet, okay, if we're gonna get it or not, right? But it is a possibility, right? Just like what we talked about right here, guys. Most people been looking for what, guys? Been looking for 25k right here, 25k. That's what they've been looking for. What I said, guys, 3-way move down, double bottom right here. If this move is impulsive, don't look back. Don't look back. It's most likely going to pump to the upside. That's why, you know, I was not basically trying to short it till we break like at least 30k. Okay, I was like, I'm not gonna basically try to enter a short position. Market, it is still bullish on the 2-day time frame. We're still above our 2-day 21 EMA. I don't have any business being a bear right here. Okay, I did not have any business being bearish at 30k when the rest of the market basically started to call for what, 25 and all of that good stuff, guys. Wi-Fi is mooning. Let's go ahead and take a look at Wi-Fi. I don't think it is mooning. We just talk about it. So Wi-Fi gonna moon very soon, guys. It's gonna moon so hard, guys. Like even the Wi-Fi one. I don't know if you talk about it, but I told you like we were looking for what, 40k right here, right? When it was like 30,000, guys. I think our last live stream we talked about Wi-Fi 1, and I was like, sucker gonna be pumping right here. Okay, so we still got a target for Wi-Fi up to $80,000, but if you want to get the setup and you want to get updates and all of that good stuff, join the premium group so you can get all of that good stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna scan the alt, right? Because somebody asked me about a coin called Dragon Chain, right? I don't know if you guys know Dragon Chain, DRNG. So if you went around back in 2017, you probably don't know Dragon Chain, right? Come on, Dragon Chain. I think it is a privacy coin, so it's gonna move very fast. Okay, I'm not sure, but I think Dragon Chain, it is a privacy coin, right? Because I haven't taken a look at it since like you know, 2017, 2018, right? But beautiful setup right here. So beautiful divergence right here. So if you're watching, right, Sky, most likely going to be mooning. It is a good hold. I'm not holding it, but it looks pretty similar to you know most of my basically bullish pattern. So beautiful setup right here, just like KuCoin Share, guys. I gave you guys KuCoin Share free setup, right? A few weeks ago, right? When I was telling you KuCoin Share, it is a good hold, right, guys? KuCoin Share was like almost 2,000 sats back then, right here. And look at it right now, it is like almost 7,000 sats, and we got price target up to like a 14,000. And we talked about it, guys, back in when almost like a late December, mid-December. That's when I basically you know, send this setup, and probably could be pumping all the way up to 50,000. Current price just about a 6,000 area, right? So let me go ahead and take a look at the chat room really quickly. Peter saying make sure to hit the likes, guys. So if you enjoy the content, make sure to share. All right, join my public Telegram group, link in the description. My public Discord, link in the description. Right, if you're looking to join, send Lambo, send Moonboy, send me a message so you can join my premium group, right, for daily analysis and all of that good stuff. Mario in the house, I think it's Mario 3B. 3B in the house, right? So Peter, Mr. Home in the house. That Finnish guy got wrecked in the house. Gems at the water cooler in the house. Yeah, guys, so I think that's it, man. I'm just gonna call it a day. Litecoin is still moving sideways. Link gonna pump and all of that good stuff, man. So Wave is another coin. It is you guys not asking for, but Wave, keep an eye on Wave, okay? Keep an eye on waves. Keep an eye on waves. So keep an eye on waves, okay? So let's take a look at Litecoin since you guys asked. Litecoin sucker is not moving, right? But it will move, okay? We did hit our target like 181, even hit like 193, you know, but I'm not sure. Okay, that's a premium setup, but let's see, okay, what we're gonna get from Litecoin. Descending triangle, we took it right here, you know, 130, 135, took it all the way up to you know, 181. It still got some juice on the lower degree. I like the 2-day breakout, so it could be just a fake out, right? It could be just a fake out. So 3-day, it is still alive. It's not red. As long as we do not close the 3-day time frame red, it is going to close like in 48 hours, actually. No, 29 hours, okay, something like that, okay? Got another daily candle before we can close this one. So Litecoin could move very slow within the next like a couple of days just to close the 3-day time frame above you know, 177 and so on, right? So, and the rest could be story if and only if Bitcoin can basically stay sideways, right? So TRB, guys, TRB looking very, very good. It's only one of the only coin right now on my watch list above like 30%. Everything else is, you know, less than. Actually, QDM still in our premium group. In QDM, it is a premium hold, right? So so keep an eye on OMG over the next. If you're holding an OMG, keep an eye on it, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, because we did not talk about Ethereum. So Ethereum, it is still consolidated, but I'm more interested. Interested in Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum BTC right here, right? So the correction we anticipating from BTC, not anticipating, but what the correction we saying, like if BTC drops down to like you know, 38 and so on, we're gonna get that. We're gonna get this type of correction just like that, right? So we're gonna get, you know, a similar correction if Bitcoin drops down to 34 and so on, right? So right now it is a bullish pattern, so I want to see if Ethereum going to be making a bear flag right here, or we just going to be double bottoming. So if we get a beautiful double bottom right here and avoid the bullish cross, avoid the bearish crossover, and create a bullish reversal pattern right here on our 21 EMA, that's going to be great. If not, we can basically rely on the 8 hour. Okay, even if the 6 hour time frame crosses bearish, we can still rely on our 8 hour, because it is moving slow, and it could give us a better signal for a potential reversal to the upside. In terms of wave analysis, you can count it differently, right? You could say we do have a 5-way structure, right? If you're very bullish, you might say 3, right? That's 1, 2. You could say still we could get the wave number 3 right here, 4 and 5. Okay, but that might be very aggressive, right? And that might be very aggressive. So you could just say I got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this wave right here could be a 3-way move down. That's also very possible. That's why I'm being cautious with Ethereum, even though, okay, the pattern is bullish right here. It is a bullish pattern if and only if you want to count it like this. Okay, if you want to count it like that, it is a bullish pattern. However, if you want to be bearish, you still can be bearish short term for Ethereum BTC and look for a potential 50% pullback. It is going to be 0.032, but I'm bullish, so I'm just gonna wait, right, and see what Ether BTC is going to do. But I'm bullish on Ether. Okay, I'm bullish on Ether. But basically, it might move slow. Okay, if we break below this support line, Ether USD might move very, very slow. Okay, especially if BTC doesn't break out. Okay. I mean, it all. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, KP? I mean, I don't know. It all depends on you. If you want to get ADA or VChain. I mean, some people just want to get like. Some people ask question like, which one going to give like the best return? I mean, if one going to give me like a 80x and the other one give me like a 90x, really, it doesn't really make a. It's not going to make a big difference at the end of the day, right? Because, I mean, I think like the best thing to do is like just sell at target price, right, and take your profits. Because if you try to wait for those 1000x, you might not even get it. Okay, you might not even get it. Okay, if you feel comfortable with your profits, take some. Okay, because you never know when we're gonna get another bear market, and and it is gonna be very crazy. Okay, so I think like we should not be focusing on like which one going to pump the most. Okay, I think like we all agree like we are in a bull market, and most of these suckers, they're gonna pump like 50x, 100x, right? So I wouldn't be very picky. Okay, wouldn't be very picky. If you're comfortable with the asset, you hold it, and not try to basically pick and choose and all of that good stuff, right? So let's see, QDM, can QDM go back to all-time high? I mean QDM definitely gonna do great. Okay, gonna do very, very well. My boy Tesla's, yeah, Tesla's gonna basically kill it very, very soon. What's up, Yas B? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Man, I mean, if you buy Ethereum for the Ethereum, let's take a look at Ethereum USD, because I think Ethereum can hit back, guys. I mean, most people are waiting for 10K, but I think this sucker can go all the way up to 15. Okay, if I can hit my BTC target, right? If I can hit my BTC USD target, the target I would be looking for Ethereum could be above like 13 to 15,000. Okay, I know it sounds crazy. Guys, but with Send Crypto, guys, you get the macro target like no one else will give you these macro targets, right? So if you take a look at Ethereum 1.618 extension to the upside, it is going to be almost 18,000. Okay, 18,000. So something to no, that's 3.618, sorry, but 2.618 is going to be 4,000. Okay, but if I'm looking for Ether to be like 0.1 BTC, right? If you go back to Ether BTC, right? Ether BTC. So Ether, it is a good hold. Okay, even if we do not hit like 18 for 15,000 and all of that good stuff, I think like 9,000, 10,000 Ether, it is still going to be a good level to be taking profit and not wait for like a 15,000. But all I'm saying is we don't short it too early, right? I really don't care, but what I'm saying is I'm not giving you any financial advice, but all I'm saying, don't short it too early, because sucker can basically do some crazy move. If you take a look at Ether on a 50-day cycle, So if like we're going to be pumping back up to like 0.01, just give or take, right? 0.01 right here, all-time high. Yes, I know that, you know, all-time high is like 0.15, but let's just say based on closing basis, right? We're gonna hit like a 0.1. If we expecting, you know, BTC to hit like a 100k, okay, like 100k to like 150k, 0.1 of 100k going to be what, guys? Going to be what, guys? 15,000. 15,000. Most people are not paying attention to that, right? So that's why I'm watching Ether closely, right, versus BTC. Okay, that's why I'm watching Ether versus BTC, because if BTC going to retest like 130, not retest, but if BTC going to pump to like 130, 150, most likely we can see Ether, you know, up to like a 0.15 BTC, guys. Okay, 0.15 BTC, and that's going to be roughly around like, guys, 13, 15, or even $18,000, right? So let's see how we're gonna be reacting once we break like a 0.08 and all of that good stuff, right? So Ether macro cycle, it is still very bullish. I wouldn't be you know, I'm not gonna be too bearish on it, right, till we see a bearish pattern. Once again, guys, it does not mean like we're not gonna see a bearish pattern. If by tomorrow, let's say we get a nasty move, something very bearish, I will not hesitate to be bearish. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. I'm not saying we're gonna pump to like 15, 20, 30. Yes, I'm saying it, but it's not guaranteed. It is, you know, we living in a very speculative world, right? So just keep that in mind. So crypto is very speculative, right? So let's see if, you know, our analysis is going to be right, and we're gonna pump all the way up to 0.1 BTC, and that's going to be very bullish. Okay, very bullish. So don't sell your ethers. Okay, I mean, you can sell them for alt, trying to grow them, right? On a macro scale, you can even see like on a 50-day cycle how bullish this sucker is. Okay, very, very bullish. Okay, let's take a look at LSK. This was supposed to be a short live stream, but it has a beautiful setup right here, right on the low degree. So let's take a look at it on a 2-day basis. So it is a good hold. Okay, it broke the trend line right here. So I was watching this very closely. I got so many targets, so I can't send everything, but it is a good hold. Just hold it. Everything looks good, right? Everything is looking very, very very bullish. A double bottom right here. Hopefully I can get I can find time this week or next week to do a alt scan like we used to do. Remember, we used to do that every month, where we scan like all the alt on Binance, right, versus BTC. So hopefully, I'm gonna find time before end of the month, and we're gonna do another one like that, right? I think we did one like January 1st, but that time market was very bearish, like right here. So we said they could, still drop. However, if over the next few weeks we pump above right here, which is like 2-day 211 EMA, we're gonna be bullish. So that's bullish right here. Okay, it is bullish. Okay, price action above 2-day 211 EMA. MACD already crossed bullish right there. So LISC, just to keep it short, it is a good hold. SRK. Let's do the BTC pair because it's easier to right now. Best thing to do, I think, like if you're trading spot, best thing to do is like trade alt BTC instead of alt USD. I can find this SRK. I can find it, man. It must be SRS. Let's see, nope. I can find it, man. Give me a right ticker. So NUL BTC. Is there nulls? So nulls right here, just in the same channel. It is about to break out. So if you're looking for a short-term trade to something to happen, right, and look for a quick profit. Keep an eye on nulls, right? We could be pumping to like 1800. Right now it is like 1100, right? So that's it is almost over, 60% to 75% move right there. So nulls pretty bullish. Okay, that's 80% move. I don't know. Just watch my. Hey, what's up, Jerome? I don't know, right? I don't want to speculate too much, right, about the bears. But all I know is like I'm bullish, right? And I just showed you like even if we drop down to 42, it is still bullish. I'm more interested in like a BTC staying above like a 40k, right? 42, 43. It is still bullish, and alt can still pump. Okay, I'm paying attention right now to alt. Okay, I think like BTC, if you're not leveraging any dips, it is going to be a buy. If you're leveraging, you just have to suck it up, keep it low, put a stop loss, right? Because market, it is still bullish, right? And try to find a good entry, and that's the most important right now. Okay, to me, at least to me, all right? So let's see. SRM. Now you're talking. I mean, let's do the BTC pair, because the USD pair is the BTC pair looks great. So it looks great. It is about to break out very soon. Okay. So beautiful move above the 3-day 2-on-1 EMA. Very consolidative the last 10 days, right? So it is about to give you a moonshot. That's all I can say, man. That's all I see. Right here, resistance is going to be just about like 1200, right? 12,000 actually. 12,000. Okay, 12,000 resistance. So I think you can. I think these guys can leverage it on Binance. I'm not sure, but I think it is available on Binance Future. You might double check, but I'm not. I never. I never trade this sucker, right? So I think we talked about it right here before. So when it first came out back in August. So beautiful setup. I think it is going to be parabolic. So nice divergence. I can see it on the 2-day time frame, right? Let's check it on OKX. Probably it doesn't have enough history. You're watching volume 2. So the volume, it is still okay. I don't see anything crazy right now. Haven't been really paying attention to BTC like closely, right? Been paying attention to alt, because alt can tell me right now what BTC is going to be doing. That's it, right? So that's why we've been very successful with these alts. Been killing it, right, over the last 3 weeks, 5 weeks, 10 weeks, and all of that good stuff, right? Since like late December. Told you guys, best time to buy alt is going to be late December, last week of December. Bang. Okay, bang. So another alt to pay attention to, it is going to be ICX. ICX BTC is kind of like dropping right now, but it is gonna spike to the upside very soon. ICX USD still looking very juicy, so ICX BTC could correct over the next few weeks, few months. However, don't sleep on it. I think it is very accumulated for the next big leg up. Okay, if we get a double move, it is going to be okay. We can get the move straight up to the upside without even like correcting again. But depending on market structure and market volatility, we just have to be cautious just in case we correct like a sideways. Correct sideways before the next leg up. Because if you take a look at most alt right now, they're correcting sideways. Okay, not this long, but sideways correction. Okay, but I don't think, like, since like it is the 2-day time frame, I don't think it's going to be this long. Okay, because we already got it on the 8 hour. Okay, already got the correction on the 8 hour. Gas BTC. I mean, I don't look at gas BTC every day. It is not on my like a daily watch list, but it is a good hold. It is something like you just want to wanna have on the background just in case it gives you those big move. I told you guys, I know exactly what I'm telling you. Like it is a premium hold regarding gas, right? So sucker is already breaking out right here. Most people are going to start buying it, but when we said buy gas long time ago, it is still very, very undervalued, because when we started buying it was like, I think 11,000, 14,000, and we said buy the dip even if we drop down to 4,000, 5,000, because you know the upside target for gas, it is crazy. Okay, it can go all the way up, guys, all the way up to 40,000. So you just have to be very, very patient with it. So temporary rejection going to be 14, 15,000. If we break it, we could be pumping all the way up to 40,000. So if you're patient enough, you could basically accumulate slowly, you know, with some profits, and forget about it, because it's going to give it to you. Okay, it's going to give it to you. I mean, I'm telling you, it's going to give it to you guys. So I know gas, man. I'm very familiar with gas. So I'm very familiar with gas. SCRT. You guys. JB, what's up, JB? Is this the same JB in our Discord? So okay, I think we talked about this one, right? Last time we talked about, that's exactly what we said. We got the double bottom right here, and we're going to be pumping to the upside, support level right here. So bang, guys, beautiful analysis right here. I'm not sure like if when we talk about it, we did get the move right here or not, but what I'm pretty sure, okay, this is one of my favorite patterns. So if it was right here, I probably told you like look for the double bottom. If it was at the already right here, you know, I probably told you like it's gonna pump, and that's what we did. Okay, so this is one of my signature moves, so I don't need to do too much analysis with it. It is very bullish, so just it is still a good hold. AVA, I didn't see Pura Vida. I can't do any analysis on AVA. That sucker just doesn't know anything but moonshot. Is that AVA? Let's see, AVAX. Not Traveler. Traveler is bullish, but you're asking for AVA USD. Sucker is always 30% up every day. I can't do any analysis on it. All I can say is like just huddle right till we get a good bearish pattern. As of now, I don't see any bearish pattern. Okay, so maybe take some profits and you know, wait for it to cool off. It's gonna cool off. Okay, it's gonna give you those big correction sideways for like a probably like a, you know, 2 months, 3 months, something like that, right? At some point, it might not be right now, but at some point it's gonna move sideways. So might as well take some profits, right? All right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, man. So if you're new to our content, guys, make sure to hit the likes, right? Subscribe, join my public Telegram group, link in the description. I got a premium group where you get like more detailed analysis. You get like, guys, KuCoin share, CELR, IOTX, TRB, IOTA, BZRX, Sire Coin, guys, Sire Coin, whatever you want to call it. Mr. Jason, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. Thanks a lot for the tip, man. I really do appreciate it, right? So Digibyte, SXP, guys, DIA, very bullish on it. BEL, very bullish on it. AKRO, very bullish on it, guys. You know, Band, Band, Algo, you name it, okay? Balancer, BAT, guys. All of those setups, guys, I got it in my premium. BNT, we already, no, not BNT, but BNB, okay? BNT, let's take a look at BNT. Now, why I just mentioned it, because I want to take a look at it for. Okay, because if I mention it, it is like it has to, you know, it has to be bullish, okay? Yeah, it has to be bullish. Okay, beautiful setup right here. So it is most likely going to pump to the upside up to like 9,000. So BNT still very, very you know, very accumulative also. Okay, the only downside is like it is not retesting the bottom right here. So we, you know, kind of like VChain, same thing as VChain, really. Okay, same thing as VChain, right? So BNT, guys, we got all the BLZ, guys, very bullish on BLZ. it is one of our top pick in our premium, right? So you know, go chain, it is one of our, you know, February picks, right? We picked like 5 alt for February to at least, you know, choose from, right? At least 3 of them, you know, go BTC, right? And some other, you know, like FET, okay? Like, you know, let's go ahead and take a look at it right here. Not H2O. Okay, like AST, BTC, CHR. We look at CHR, guys. We're already up 100% on our CHR. Okay, since I gave this target, okay, 100% up, and sucker is not even starting to move yet. It is just warming up. Okay, so CHR, DATA, FET gonna basically go crazy, guys. I told you about FET. Buy 200 to 150. It is already 500. That's the type of setup you get with Send Crypto. Go BTC, guys. Our favorite pick. Guys, I never talk about these coins, right? I mean, some of them I talk about this coin randomly, but that's the type of setup you get with Send Crypto. Okay, they're already pumped. Okay, we bought them at the bottom. So OXT BTC, guys, beautiful setup on OXT BTC. It is gonna move very fast, very soon. Okay, very fast, very soon. We bought the bottom, bang. Okay, so we're still very bullish on these, you know, these assets, right? AST also, it is one of them, so it could be pumping very soon, guys. All right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. Make sure to hit the likes, you know, join my, you know, public Telegram group, and then you know, we can take it to the moon, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot, Jason.